Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David, guess what? Today we're gonna see this building right behind me here in Marshalltown. 19 floors, 350 apartments. Again, I think most of them are gone. But again, guys, stay tuned because once again, this video will blow your mind. And look at this, was cleaned, nothing here. That's what I like to see. Okay. There you go, guys. This is what we're gonna see today. 348 apartments and 19 floors, guys. Very nice. So nice. Look at this place inside, right? Very nice. Let me just show you guys the type of units that they have here. So this is in the ground floor, right? Straightforward. Okay. Remember, this is just showroom. I want to take you guys upstairs. Yeah, it smells very nice. So they were saying that the rooms go for 4,200 rand. So beautiful. Thank you. And everything works with biometrics. Look at this gym. They even have like bars outside to make pull-ups. Very nice. Impressed by this. I didn't even know about it. I promise you guys, I just found out about this building the other day because I had to pause here with my car. Okay guys, so that's the entrance. Look at this. This is a working space here. Do you even have like your space here? You can put just your PC, you know what I mean? Work from here. This is super cool, man. For only 4,200. So it seems like that the fee for the gym is 100 rand, guys, and parking is like 300, so more. So it's still a very good business. Oh wow! Oh, sorry. Okay, look at this. They even have a place here to chill out. This is so nice. Oh wow. You can see people working from here. Okay, so this is the... Okay. 25 rand, okay. So is this the parking for the building?
This is the visitors parking.
Okay.
Parking in the basement.
Okay.
So visitors parking, they go in here, then
Okay.
they sign in and then they park here. That is our Russian line.
Okay. Very good. You guys can see they have 19 floors and this used to be an office building. Okay, we are on the second floor now. Okay, so you guys can see the one downstairs, pretty much straightforward.
So the kitchen is different. To the bathroom it's smaller. But the sitting area is pretty much the same.
By the way, this here is a geyser. Can you guys see? Yeah, three different degrees of keeping the water hot, but very nice. Very nice indeed.
And the client room. So all our bedrooms they have a window water and you study table. So all our units have this.
Very nice. Next here to the Premier's office in Marshalltown, guys. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's it.
Oh, thank you.
That's it, basically. Done. It's a very nice place. When you just go on here, you just follow. You just see it, guys. You just really see it. Right here in Marshalltown. There you go, guys. Again, guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, and destroy that like button. And I'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.